Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I'm changing the oil on my Yamaha YZ250F. So the first thing I would do is prepare all the necessary things we will need for today. I let the bike run a little bit to warm up, and that helps the viscosity of the oil, so it's running a little bit thinner and then it's easier to drain. So we left the bike running for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna guide you what we're gonna use for today oil change. So we're gonna use the oil pan, newspapers, spanners sizes 12 and 8. I need manual for vocabulary, then measuring cup, filter and motor oil. Awesome, let's do it. Okay, so we start with size 12 and we remove the drain bolt. It's quite hard access, so you can see this bolt is very hard to access, and there is little seal you don't want to lose. You need to make sure it doesn't drop in the oil. I'm gonna open the oil filler cap as well, and I'm leaning the bike a little bit to get the last drops out from the engine. Next step, it will be to remove the filter cover. Always make sure that you use the tool super straight. You don't want to strip the screw, and that's why it's the best to do it on your own, so you put it the strength you can actually undo it again. This might gonna jump out, so just be careful. Then if you do this first time, I recommend to make sure that you put the filter the right way. Not that it would happen to me before, but it sort of gets a little tricky there. So in, and this is staying on the outside like this. Put it nicely in alignment. Now I'm gonna be tightening all the bolts. Okay, now let's put the drainer bolt back in. Nice and straight, make sure the threads are nicely aligned. And you can do the most of it with your hand and then just tighten it up. Okay, so the filter is changed, the drainer bolt is tight, and now we're gonna put like 3/4 of liter into the engine tank. Let's make sure that this is all clean as well. Okay, and then you can check this screen. You see the oil level should be between these two lines. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the bike and let it cool down and see where it settles. Your bike has to be completely straight when you do this. So I think this could be good amount, but sometimes according to the manual it should be 3/4 of the liter, but let's see. Okay. And we put the bike straight and check the level, and it's on the bottom line of the top line, so that's perfect. That's just right underneath. That's gonna be ideal. Okay.